In this FluencyLink tutorial video, you'll learn, as a teacher with a purchase order type license, how to assign content such as books to students. This assumes that you have created your desired classes and groups, if applicable, you have rostered your students, and your school or district admin has assigned a sufficient number of licenses to your account. If you get an error, you may not have enough licenses of this book allotted to you. In that case, please check with your school admin. Once you've met these conditions, go to Learning Content, Assign Content. If you have a lot of books, you can filter them by searching in this bar. You may select and deselect content by clicking on book icons, clicking on this box where you can type to filter the results shown. Click the X to remove a book. Use the Select All, Deselect All button. Next, choose your classes, groups, and/or students to assign the content to. Again, you may type to filter the results displayed. To finish, click Assign. The selected students will now have access to the chosen content. You can unassign content by individual content or through bulk unassign. To unassign individually, go to Learning Content, Assign History. Edit the content you'd like to unassign. Select the classes, groups, and/or students, then click Unassign. The bulk unassign button can be found under Assign Content or Assign History. In each field, you can select All or Individual. In this case, because I assign content to classes, not students or groups, I can only unassign from the class. For example, if I try to unassign from students, I won't get an error message, but students will still have their books. For example, to unassign one book, I can search for the book here, and then I can select classes to unassign from. If I want all the classes, I just select all classes. Thanks for watching.